Hello. So you wanna make free website without paying single dollar. So this video is absolutely free. From this website you can do a lot of things for your business activity and other e-commerce thing. So to know it, watch the full video till the end. First, open your browser, then type freenom.com. Right, so here you can find free domain. Just type the name of domain which you want to make. For example, I'm going to make my website, so I'm going to type my name. Click on check availability. Here is lots of domain and different type of price tag. In below, we are searching for the free one. And here is also free one too. I think this TK domain sounds professional, so I gonna buy it. Click on get it now. So here is added in cart. Let's check out this. So we need for the whole year. If you want to extend more than 1 year, you need to pay. And it is only available for the 12 month. So click on continue. Finally, our bill is $0. So here is few information you need to put. Just fill this. Then click on complete order. Right, during this phase, while clicking on complete order, sometimes it is showing that technical errors in some computer. If you are facing this type of problem, just go to your browser setting and clear all cache data and history. And if it is still not working, just download the Chrome browser and it will work fine. After that, go to services and click on my domain. So here you can see my website domain. Alright, so we need to do other thing more. Just open new tab and type 000. I am repeating once more, 000 web host. A website of 000 web host will appear. Click on free sign up. You can sign up with a Gmail account. Right here is written, let's create some magic. Choose the type of website which you want. Write the name and password. Please don't forget that username and password. And don't make it default password. So click on create button. Finally, we are inside the webhost.com page now. But we need our professional website, so we go to website address. Click on own domain name. Paste the freenom domain name that we have created early. Please remove this https and slash. Only put the domain name. Click on park domain. Right, in the side of park domain, here is written something, and just read it more and copy this ns01 webhost.com and ns02 webhost.com simultaneously. Just copy it and go to freenom and click on manage domain. Go to management tool. Paste the name server here we recently copied, and please put this in capital letter. As you can see, I pasted the both, then click on change server name. Right, it just take few minutes. Sometime it's take 1 hour, or just 10 minutes. Just be patient, please, guys. You need to be patient and wait. It takes some time to merge the two website. On other hand, we'll do some type of customization on our website. If you have done some type of coding and created file for your website, you can upload or make yourself from here. Go to upload and choose the file which you want to upload. After a few minutes, finally our website is linked. So this is our website which we have created, and this is absolutely free for you. You can store lots of data inside it and different type of things. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.